Welcome to NaxToView. In this video, we will learn how to use the tag creation tool. Tags allow you to add additional information in text format. They can be attached directly to the graphical window or linked to model elements and nodes, displaying their relevant information. In addition, it is possible to perform operations within the tags themselves. The tool provides three main options. 1. Open tag settings. 2. Create tag at visible maximum of the contour. 3. Create tag at visible minimum of the contour. The Create tag at visible maximum of the contour automatically generates a tag at the maximum contour value. Simply click the icon, and a tag will appear showing the ID, the contour value, and the corresponding property. The Create tag at visible minimum of the contour option works in the same way, but uses the visible minimum value instead. If several minima or maxima share the same value, only the first detected one will be displayed. When clicking the green icon, Open Tag Settings, a new window opens. On the left side, you will find all created tags or tag groups identified by their assigned names. At the top, you can choose the type of tag you want to create, Standard or Settings. Standard tags. Standard tags contain predefined information. Here you will find tags for maximum and minimum values by elements or nodes, which work the same way as the red and blue icons in the toolbar. The difference is that from this window you can activate the By Entity Displayed option, which creates one tag for each selected entity. There are also Extreme Max and Extreme Min options, available both for elements and nodes, which perform the extreme operation using absolute values. Show, hide, or delete tags. You can hide or show them using the eye icon and delete them with the X icon. The Tag checkbox allows you to select all tags at once to hide, show, or delete them simultaneously. Settings tags. Settings tags are fully customizable. They are divided into two types, window and item. Settings tags. Under field name, the available variables are shown. Once added, they appear in the Tag Arithmetic Expression section, where you can edit text, include formulas, and create operations. The text format can be modified using the icon with the letter T. At the bottom, you can choose text and background colors, the tag position, and whether to display a border. Fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. If the Info Tooltip Format option is enabled, the information defined in the tag will also appear in the tooltip. It is important to remember that this configuration is global. The last tag for which this option was activated determines the tooltip format for all. For tags to display valid values, results must be plotted. Otherwise, NaN will appear. Window type settings. Tags window type tags are very easy to create. Enter the name. Select the variables using the plus icon. If needed, add text or operations. In display options, configure colors, position, and border. Click the green plus icon to generate the tag automatically. Item type settings, single element or node. To create a tag based on a single node or element, assign a name. Select the node or element in the model and click the green plus icon. Add the desired variables, such as ID, global_ID, or contour. Customize text and colors. Enable Always Display if the tag should remain visible on the model, or Fixed Tag if it should stay fixed in position. Create the tag using the green icon. Item type settings. Multiple selection. When multiple nodes or elements are selected, you must specify the field to be evaluated, the criterion, for example, minimum, maximum, or equal. For example, you can create a tag for the element whose contour value is exactly the maximum among the selected ones. If several elements share that value, the tag will be positioned on the first one found. You can also enable one tag for each item, which generates one tag per selected element. For each variable, the drop-down menu allows you to select the entity to display: maximum, minimum, extreme maximum, or extreme minimum. If Show Domain is enabled, the domain to which the tag belongs will be displayed on the screen. Tag groups. To create tag groups, first select the model or the corresponding elements and assign a group name. Groups can be created by one tag for each item, or detecting hotspots, critical points that meet a specific criterion. Hotspots only work with contour-type tags and with the greater, less, or equal criteria. The number of generated tags can be limited by enabling Set Hotspot Limit. Once the fields and criteria are defined, click OK, add the desired variables, and press the green icon to create the group. All generated tags will appear in the table. All generated tags will appear in the table, identified as _0, _1, _2, according to the number of detected points. Changes applied at the group level affect all tags in the group, while individual changes affect only the selected tag. Editing tags. To edit tags, simply select the tag you want to modify from the panel on the left. Make the necessary changes, and then click Apply to apply the changes immediately. Operations in tags. Operations can be performed within tags using braces. Everything outside the braces is interpreted as text. The order of operations respects standard mathematical rules. To adjust the number of decimal places, type a comma, the percent symbol, the number of decimals, and the letter F. To view the full operations guide, click the eye icon. This concludes the explanation of the NaxToView tagging tool. We hope you found this video useful. See you in the next one.